This one we will deposit chrome first, and the second one, the gold. We can deposit chrome or titanium. Anubama use titanium, but Neuromovic team use chrome, but doesn't matter. Okay. And then now we start to the beam. Two types of to the most things we need to do first. The first one, open the crucible. Crucible control chrome or nickel or titanium or something. But should open first, and then you want to deposit chrome, right? We want to deposit chrome, so we have chrome. The information, this one is the material table. We should control by the density and Z ratio. How we control to chrome and lick program. Notice, should be careful. If we did wrong, the machine will be broken. Okay, program. And then always chrome is the film 1 and film 1. You can see again something like that. Open crucible. Okay, the next step, program, and then rotate here, right to left, very stopped. Okay, like this. Okay, and check it, the information. Click next. Density. This is density 7.2. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, doesn't matter about like this. And Z factor 0.31. Okay. After check-in, click program again for setting up the materials. Okay. Again, the first, click program, and then rotate here. Example, film 1 or film 2 or film 3. You should check, and then rotate to the film 1 like this, and next, and program. If you click program and like this, and you didn't click next, you didn't check, you click program again, no setup. Okay. Example, click like that, right? Rotate and program again. You can see in one. So should check by the next and review or something like this, and that will check it. Okay. One and next, and check it one more time. Okay, film 1 done like this. Two more things. First, open crucible. Open crucible means this is the cap cover the chrome. We open this and the e-beam will come to the chrome and material will evaporate to the holder. Okay, it's very careful. The one previous student didn't open crucible and the e-beam already come to the cap and it's broken. Professor was so angry. So be careful. Okay, I explain again. The first one, open crucible and then choose the program, and film 1 or film 2 you should check. Okay, and choose program again. Program, rotate, next to check the information of material and program.
If we want to change the program,
and program like this, and next, and program again.
And what about that number here?
Ah.
That Z ratio, if you want to change, how we can?
If you want to change, next, and you can rotate like this. Okay, and next again. After you choose it, and next, and they automatically save. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can open the rotating also. Remember, right? Crucible, program, and rotating. Okay. Okay. The next. Now, the E-beam was controlled by this system. This system thermal evaporator controlled by this system. E-beam this one, thermal this one. E-beam for deposit chrome or titanium. Thermal controlled by deposit gold. Okay, and then after setting up, open the power. Okay, and power on. Okay, sure. And you can see the system already off here. And then acceleration. Click this one, choose this one, open. You can see if it's off. You can see this one is already go to this one to -2. This one you can see need to wait several seconds, and this one to control by emission. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, now after fill up, and then we can increase the emission. Should increase slowly. Okay, from left to right. Like this, slowly. Don't rotate. Should not rotate fast and much. And then we can control by emission by the drain here, because we deposit just 5 nanometer. 5 nanometer means 0.05 kilo angstrom. 1 kilo angstrom, that this one the 100 nanometer, right? But 5 nanometer 0.05. And then the drain here should be controlled from 0.2 to 0.3, not higher. Okay. When you increase the rate, the emission, you should wait the rate will be stable, and then you open the target. Don't open the target first and increase. The thickness will not through. You can see the rate is slowly increased, right?
Yeah.
Now 0 go to 0.1. So we should increase a little bit like that to make sure the rate is stable. So you can see the thickness here, but the thickness go to the cap of the target first, and then you should wait, go to the 0.2, and then you can open the target. Two, the rate angstrom per second. This one controlled by the rate. This one is thickness. So we increase a little bit like that. If the rate come through 0.2, and then we can open the target. And then we open the target, we should choose the 0. And then to make sure that the thickness come through the material, the substrate, is it okay? Got my point, right?
Yeah.
You can see now, go to the 0.2, right? We open the target, and then we lift 0. This one now, the chrome go to the substrate. If you open this one and go, and you cannot know that the 5 nanometer is not exactly. Actually, if you guys saw the rate is 0.2, it's low, you can increase more to the 0.3. Is it okay? No problem. The thickness come to the 1.5 nanometer. After the thickness come, close it. Close the target, and then reduce again. Reduce slowly. Don't reduce so fast. If we did like that, we keep the stable, the controller will be safe. Okay, after go to the 0, actually the rate, something is not fully the 0. Is it normal when to the 0 or 0.1? Is no problem. If the emission go to the 0, is it okay? Okay. After finish the deposition, choose off. Here, choose off this one, and off. And turn off the power. Now E-beam already done. Now we change to the thermal evaporation.